Today, Arizona surpassed 800,000 reported coronavirus vaccines and 15,000 deaths related to the virus. But after a spike last month, health officials say case numbers and hospitalization has fallen. Tina Giuliano is joining us now with more on that, plus a look at how the pandemic is impacting Ash Wednesday. Tina?
If we take a look at this graph here, this is of all the counties in Arizona. And for the general trend for the country, the cases are decreasing. Here's the Maricopa County line right here, and that shows right here that it is decelerating just a little bit. But despite the declines today being Ash Wednesday, the church is still adapting to the pandemic like they did last year. Today, Christians around the globe are starting the Lenten season with a visit to church. Ash Wednesday kicks off Lent, which lasts 46 days leading up to Easter Sunday. Many believers mark the occasion with an ash cross on their forehead, which represents death and repentance. But because of the pandemic, the ritual is being altered.
We're very sensitive to the gathering restrictions and not putting people at risk any more than they already are.
According to Vatican guidelines, ashes will be distributed without physical contact. Some churches are sprinkling the ashes over foreheads. At St. Maria Goretti Catholic Church in Scottsdale, they're using a Q-tip to apply the ashes. And there won't be the usual Mass.
Such a significant time for us. Starting it off by turning people away is, not what we want to do.
Parish manager Linda Melton said they normally have packed Ash Wednesday Masses, but because it isn't a holy day of obligation, St. Maria's decided to cancel the public gatherings.
We want to be able to welcome them all, and for our circumstances, this is the best way that works for us.
The Ash Wednesday changes come the same day that Dr. Joshua LeBaire from the ASU Biodesign Institute delivered some positive news on COVID-19 numbers in our state.
Arizona looks definitely moving in the right direction. People who've been vaccinated, we are not seeing any severe illnesses. No one going to the hospital, no one in the ICU, no one dying. And that's true for all of the vaccines that are approved in the U.S.
LeBaire went on to say those who are fully vaccinated can even interact with others without wearing masks.
If you've been vaccinated and been exposed to someone with virus, but have no symptoms, you do not need to be quarantined. So
for those attending religious gatherings, LeBaire encouraged that they take the usual COVID-19 precautions, including social distancing and masking up. At the Google touchscreen, Tina Giuliano, Cronkite News.